Hello everyone, I hope everyone's doing well and hope you've all had a smashing start to the new year. My name is Jordan and welcome to another UK deal talking video. In this particular video, I'll be focusing on which platform you should use when investing to save money. So without further ado, let's smash out the intro. So let's dive into the video. If you're investing anything at all, at least some of it should be in index funds. The platform you should use when investing in index funds is Vanguard. The reason you should be using Vanguard is because they have extremely low costs. They have an average ongoing cost of just 0.20% and a low account fee of just 0.15% per year. This means that you'll pay just 20p per month and 15p per year per £100 that you invest into Vanguard on average. The website Which recommends Vanguard as the investment provider to use, with them saying a simple way to invest at a fraction of the cost of its rivals. So if you haven't yet opened a Vanguard account or you don't currently use Vanguard, I'd highly recommend trying to switch to them. If you would like any more information about investing in general, or perhaps some tips on what to invest in, while still being aimed at a UK audience, I would highly recommend that you visit the YouTube channel for Damien Talks Money. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. He has helped me get a much better idea about investing in general, and I'm sure that he can help you too. So let's move on to the next platform. If you're looking for the best platform to use when doing everyday investing into stocks and shares rather than long-term index funds, I will recommend using Trading212. Trading212 allows you to deposit money and buy shares without any fees, but recently they have changed their terms that after a £2,000 lifetime deposit, they will start to charge 0.7% with each deposit, which is 70p per £100, but it is still very competitive compared to its closest rivals, and I imagine most new investors won't hit that £2,000 for quite some time. If you haven't got a Trading212 account, I will leave a link in the description below to sign up with. If you use the link to sign up with and deposit at least £1, we will both get a free share worth up to £100, so we both win. If you'd like to see a more in-depth video on Trading212, I will leave a link in the description below for a video that Damien at Damien Talks Money has made recently on Trading212, which I know will be very helpful if you're new to it. Once again, if this video has been helpful, please smash that like button. I can't begin to tell you how much I would appreciate it, and if you're in the generous type of mood, I'd love it if you would consider subscribing too. It will help the channel grow, and you'll be one of the first people notified when a new video is released. Cheers. All the best.